Well, back again on 360. Just been on a ferry tour. Look round all the way down the Hudson, past the World Trade Centre, and then round to the other side of Manhattan. Pretty good, and it's very warm, very close, yet it's cloudy. I think I might try there's a thing, a viewing spot called the Edge. You're very high up. I get some tour things in I've got to check out tomorrow. So I'll have a stroll down here. I was going to try and bus it, but you got to walk as far inland to get the bus, what goes down south. No, like subways on the edge of Manhattan. Woo! Always gives me the creeps here in aeroplanes over here. The old pigeon. And a bin. And my pants are falling down. So, and tripod. I don't know what it is around here, but every fucker doesn't speak like English. They all speak in Spanish, and like English is the second language. Talk about an invasion of gringos. You're right about the migrant crisis. There's even like, well, that sounds racist, black people. They're not from here. Like they're from Somalia or West Africa or somewhere like that. You know, head chopping land. Woo! A lot of bloody immigrants. Like nearly all the security men are these like French sounding dudes. Like black but French sounding. Like they're from like West Africa where they speak French and that. Fucking follow them. Absolutely fucking follow them. Woo. I think the Edge skyscraper's over that way. So, okay, you've got a home. They love the homes over here. Noisy bastards. Woo! Holy jumping shitballs. Okay, there you got to get across that road without dying. I can see the Edge. I think it's that building over there. Oh, hell. Push button and wait for a signal. There's no fucking button there. Someone's nicked it. Twelfth Avenue, West 39. No chance there. Holy jumping shitballs. Whew. Don't think I'll chance crossing the road even though it's stopped. I just know as soon as I sit on there it's going to change to green. And it did. Whoa. God, it's hot. Saying 28 degrees, but I tell you what, it feels a lot hotter than that, and it's still quite hazy. Woo! I would not chance it going across there. Oh, fuck it. I'm gonna go across anyway. If I get run over, I get run over. Man. Thank you. Whoo. A Volvo truck. Well, I used to drive trucks. Different to ours, what we have in Europe. God, it is hot. It was really hot last night and clammy. Oh God, I felt like I was bloody dying. I was got to get back to the hotel and just jump in the shower. And then I had a shower this morning as well. Never had so many showers in my life. Oh. Well, New York's alright. By the time you got used to the transportation system, you know, with the underground, you know, or the subways they call it, and then the buses, you know, once you've worked it out, you're going back home again. But, if I come again, I'll be more used to it. First time I come 2 years ago, I wasn't that used to it. I'm not one for public transport. Back home, I'm in my car. I don't really want to be with a great and washed. Whew, my fucking pants falling down. Oh. Always have to get a size bigger. The fuck is that place, eh? Woo. It's a nice SUV. I wish I could have an SUV like that. I've got a biggish SUV, but I can't even say it now. SUV. But these are bigger, better. The old belt. Woo. That fucking look at that, creeping up there. Pier 76, whatever that's famous for. Check-in freight delivery. Must not to enter. Woo! I've never fancied the bus tours. I've had so many bad stories where they rip people off. Not so much the bus driver, but the people that sell the tickets. Because a lot of them have been buying the tickets on the street, and then they get to the bus driver is like, what the hell are you talking about? They've been sold dud tickets. It's been scammed. Nightmare. Woo! Ah, another truck, Peterbilt. East Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. Look like singles on the back of it. It's this one, a Freightliner. Got bigger cabs than we have in Europe. The trailers look slightly longer, maybe 2 pallets longer. Or the same length, and it's giving it away because the tandem bogie axles on the back. Give away. It'd be fucking off. Right, we're getting to see some buildings here now. What a fucking racket. So we'll walk up here. I cannot emphasise how much that sun is really hot. Sweating like a packy on a rape charge. Whoa! You don't get buildings like this in England. Whew. Oh, fuck off with your arms. Cheers, man. Woo! Oh! Some fuck shouting. I think the edge is round here some fucking way. I'll have to refer to my mobile blower. Woo! Fuck it. No cars coming. There's someone just sitting back behind me with a fucking horn on. And then you look at them and they're just totally plain face, like they're not doing anything wrong. Crazy fuckers. Woo! Some weird bloody skyscrapers. Very weird. Hudson Yards, Penn Station. Wow. Oh, we're not so far off. Empire State Building, Madison Square Garden. Woo! Yeah, hello. If anyone has told him that, oh, he looks a twat. Oh, fuck me, it's hot.
I'll be next.
Woo! Woo! Oh. It is hot, ladies and gentlemen. There's some shade over there. Buckingham Crossing. Hey. Oh, a bit of shade.
No, I think.
Woo. Don't think I could live round here. "55 Hudson Yards." Woo. Sure as I'll murder a cold drink. Oh, lots of virtue signalling going on around here. Look at me, everyone, I'm sat outside. Well, not as bad as England. There's that trippy building there. Woo! That's the edge there, that building. Right. Oh, some doggies. Hello, doggies. Hello. Poor buggies look red hot. Whoa, hell. I reckon that Starbucks is looking good for something to eat. Well, not something to eat, something cold to drink. Got no fucking coffee. Woo! What a building. Whatever that is. Right, I'm going to go and get a drink. Back in a bit.